In this video, we're going to learn how to write a fraction as a decimal. So if we have a problem like this that says, write 3 over 100 as a decimal. So the first step is to know that when the denominator is a number like 10, 100, 1,000, and so on, etc., you move the decimal left once if the denominator is 10, twice if the denominator is 100, 3 times if the denominator is 1,000, and so on. But for this one, we're just going to focus on the 100 because that's what we have in our denominator. So imagine 3 with a decimal at the end. Every whole number has an invisible decimal at the end. So for 3 over 100, we move the decimal twice to the left, right? Because that's the rule in our step here. And then a trick to remember this, a way to remember this, 100 has 2 zeros, so move twice to the left. So just follow the number of zeros that there are. So let's have our 3 here now with our decimal at the end. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to move the decimal over. So let's take it here. So we're going to move it twice. So 1, 2. And let me put in the decimal there and color it in with black. Okay, so now our decimal is here. And I picture this as an egg crate, right? So this egg crate has a 3 in it, but this one is empty. So we're going to have to fill it with something. And let's put an egg in it, or basically a 0. Okay, so then what our final answer will look like, it would look like this. So this is 0.03. So 3 over 100 as a decimal is 0.03. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You might be just one explanation away from getting it. So watch the video again. Anyone can do math. And I have links in my description to other videos that I've done that are similar if you want to practice more. Also, you can download my ebook that has this exact lesson in it and you can follow along there